So I'm gonna go ahead and start from the beginning, show you my house. It is pretty much finished. The kitchen still needs a little few things here and there, so I'm not really gonna show you the kitchen. That's gonna be on another video. So I'm gonna go outside and show you the house. So okay, let me turn the camera around. All right, so this is our entrance area. Look at who's waiting for us there. And this is our garage door. We don't have a car yet, so yep. And then I just go up these stairs. And this is the first entrance of the house. I can't believe I didn't actually organize this for the video, but I forgot. These things, my baby boy's things go in the garage. I mean, honestly, this looks so much better when it's clean, obviously, like anything. So we just go in through the main door. And this is the first thing that we see. Just ignore these boxes. These are for the kitchen and sneak peek. They're not gonna stay there. So the first thing that you see when you walk in is how much light this area has. And this is our dining room table. Really awesome dining room table. It can fit up to 8 people because this can be longer. Have my tulips, of course. These are supposed to go in my office, but I was just a little bit lazy. So yeah, that's pretty much our dining room table. I need to get this out of the way because that doesn't go there. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the living room area. We got this couch at IKEA and it is just beautiful. If you guys want to know where anything is from, let me know, and then I'll make a separate video showing you where I got everything. Some things my mom gifted to me because she already had it, like these mirrors here and all of these paintings. We're missing one here, but when the time comes, we'll find the perfect one for this space. I don't want to rush the decor. I mean, we already have quite a lot. So I'm just going to show you a few things here and there. This is our 100-year-old clock that my mom got us off of eBay. How do you like this dog bed? So as you can see, this couch really fits perfectly in this space. Not only the colors, but the size. And it's huge. It can actually sit 6 people and probably more because each seat is humongous. And this piece of decor we got at a pet store. We thought it was going to be less messy and dirty, but you know, you get what you what you get. We also have a back door that goes onto our patio. So let me go ahead and show you. Sorry for the noise. This is a fairly big space. We have a dining table here, and then we have a lounge area there, and it is also surrounded by beautiful plants. And you can go up to the front of the house through this area here. There's like a hall that you can cross and go up to the front of the house. So it basically surrounds the whole house. Little boy. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and close this door. All right, so without really showing you the kitchen, I'm just gonna go to the powder room that we have here in this floor. Oh, it's just such a beautiful powder room. Has this little shelving unit here in the bathroom, which is kind of echoey. And this should go over here. All of this floor we made from scratch, so nothing, absolutely nothing was like this. We like destroyed walls and everything, so you can actually check out this house transformation in a video that I posted not too long ago. Anyways, now we're gonna go up the stairs to the second floor. There are 3 floors in the garage, which I'm gonna have to show you because there's an extra room in there. All right, so this is where all the rooms are. Here we have a little mirror. Okay, so this is our master bedroom, and it comes with a master bath. And this is the bathroom for the extra rooms. Here are the 2 extra rooms that we're gonna go in just a second. So of course we already installed the baby gates. When Mael is gonna grow up, he's gonna need these. So just as soon as you walk into the room, you have this large mirror right over the baby crib that we have in our room. And well, here we have a huge mirror for us to see ourselves when we get dressed. All of this is for my husband, Ismael. This is his wardrobe area where he keeps all his clothes. This is mine. I'm just gonna show you real quick, but I'm not really gonna get into details because I still need to organize a lot. So, okay, as you can see, I have a lot of space. And then same on the other side, like just so much, so much space. I'm not gonna go any lower because then we see this. All right, so that's it for my wardrobe. Now let's take a look at the room. And this is our room. Of course, I had to decorate the wall. I have some space there that I'm gonna use to put this. And then these, let me know what you think. I am going to put like over here on this wall. I think it's gonna look cute and it's gonna fill up this space. So, okay, this is the huge bed that we have. Can you tell how like beautiful the bed frame is? And it was perfect for the size of our bed, which is a king size bed. So now let me just give you a few shots of the room. So of course, this area I still need to organize a little bit. This wasn't originally in the house. We put this up here because I specifically wanted this here to put my computer so that we could watch TV before bed. I still need to organize a few things, like this box has to be thrown away. This needs to be cleared up. And then that poster over there, which is such a beautiful poster that my parents gifted to me, also needs to be put up. Like, look how pretty this is. So this would go great in my office space, but I don't have any more room. So you can't really get the idea, but I was thinking maybe putting it in this wall right here since it's such an empty space. So I cannot be taking this long to show you each room, so let's move on to the next one. Well, I didn't actually show you the bathroom. There's nothing much to see. We're gonna be redoing those next year because like it was too much money. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Here's the shower. And yeah, there's just nothing much to show or to see other than our dirty laundry and how disorganized it looks. I hate it, but anyways, everything is so beautiful except for the bathrooms. That's okay. This is even worse. So of course the colors are so outdated. Everything is so outdated. And here's where we give my baby boy baths and sometimes me as well. Okay, so just nothing much to see there. That's why I'm going quick. So now there's a lot to see here. This is my office space. You might have already seen this on Instagram if you follow me, but let me give you a little tour. This is a sofa bed that I just really love. And this is my desk area. This is an IKEA desk. And then this is the IKEA Alex drawers, which I absolutely love because there's just so much space to store everything. And let me tell you that I do use all of this space to store things because I just have so much junk. So I have a little business of my own where I make digital planners, and this is my workstation. You can check out my Instagram and especially my TikTok, which is where I'm most active. And I'll leave the links down below. The name is Smarty Plants, so FYI. My little but still really huge printing station. Guess what the theme color is for this room? Can you guess? I also use this area to play some video games, although most of the video games that I play are with my husband, and we play those upstairs, which is where we're gonna go right after this floor. Almost finished with this floor. Oh, and look at how much space I have to organize things in here. Like there's just, let me just open this for you so you can get an idea of how huge this is. So of course here I could hang clothes, but I don't need that space. I prefer to use this space for my other things like ink for the printer, my cables and more cables, my tripods, paint, you know, camera stuff, random things like that. And then this is the other side. So here I just keep more things that I don't know where to put. And then I put this myself in here. It's the same one that I have in the master bedroom. And it just fits perfectly, and it helps me like keep so much more stuff. All right, so now let's get out of here and go to the next room, which is the final room for this floor. All right, so now let's go. This is my baby boy's room. I'm not gonna go into much detail because I do want to do a room tour for my baby boy, but this is pretty much it. It's not the biggest room, but honestly, like, look at how much space there's in here. So yes, my baby still doesn't sleep in his own crib. We're working on that. If you have any tips, please don't hesitate to comment them down below. Please, I'm begging you. So of course, there's still like a few things that I need to organize in here. The colors of the room are gray, blue, and white, which is a pretty weird combination, but it's what we went for. So now let me close this room, and then I'll do a room tour where I explain where everything is and how I organize my baby boy's room. All right, so let's go up to the next floor. So this is where my husband plays video games and also where he works. So let me just give you a little tour. This is just a really empty space that we're gonna use to put an extra bed. This is my little video game nook that I barely use because I rather use the big TV. This is his office space. And of course, just a little reminder that he does have a family. And then here we just have a bunch of things that we don't know where to put. So this plant that is dying and we don't know what to do with it. And Miles' play gym as well. So this is pretty much it, which is a lot. All right, now we're gonna go all the way down to the garage. So going down these stairs to the first floor, and now we're gonna take the indoor way to the garage, because obviously I could also go in from outside. So just before I open this door, which is the one that goes to the garage, there is the laundry area. It is obviously a mess. I don't know how people do it to keep it so organized and like Instagram or like Pinterest worthy, but I will try my best and organize this and do it along with you guys. Okay, so this is our huge garage and it has like a storage area. Look at all the baby boy clothes that don't fit my baby anymore. Like there's like 4 boxes or 3.5 because this one is not all the way full. This is where we could park a huge car. And then that door over there is another room that we should use more often. No, I don't need to turn on the light. It's really bright in here. So yeah, we have a gym. Okay, so this is our gym area. Wait till I turn around. Yep. So I am in desperate need to use this room. This is my abs bench. So I still need to decor or decorate this a little bit better because it's pretty much empty. But damn, what a gym, what a home gym. This light is awesome because not only does it give you light, but it also has a fan inside. So it's perfect for the gym. So before I go, I just wanted to ask you to leave a comment and say what was your favorite part of the house. Mine, I think it would have to be my office, obviously. And I don't know, honestly, I love everything about the house, the game room area, the living room downstairs, the kitchen that you haven't seen yet, that is gonna be like so pretty. And I'll be making a video of that soon. I've already like started it, but it's gonna be a while until I finish making this video, the video of the kitchen, because there's a lot of things to do and organize and stuff, but like I'm almost halfway through, so bear with me. You're gonna love the kitchen as well. So without further ado, I just wanted to thank you all so much for clicking on this video, watching this video. If you haven't already, I would beg you to subscribe to my channel and follow along our journey as new parents and our new homeowners and like new everything. Don't forget to check my link for my digital planner shop that I was talking about earlier, which is Smarty Plans. Check out the link and see what you think of my products. Anyway, see you next week.